Shinshiv. So this phrase that we use to explain that we are learning Gaelic is, ironically, rather tricky to learn. But I'm going to break it down for you and show you how to do it. So let's have a look at the word for learning first of all. It's ionnsachadh. Ionnsachadh. Note how crisp the beginning is. There's no y sound. I often hear ionnsachadh, which is not correct. Also, notice how the vowel changes in sound. Ew. Ew. It's like you've seen something you don't like the look of. Ew. Ionnsachadh. More importantly, or more unusually, there is no N sound, no English N here. We see two N's and we think there must be, but there's not. It's very soft in Gaelic, and here we don't really hear it at all. Ionnsachadh. Mind blown. No N. Also, we have two tricky fricative sounds, one after the other. In the middle, we have an unvoiced CH. Ugh. This is at the back here. Ugh. And then at the end of the word, we have, still at the back, a voiced sound, which is ugh. Ugh. These are tricky. I'll do other videos to focus on those more particularly. Let's put them all together. Ionnsachadh. Ionnsachadh. Then we can add the AG particle. And this is when we might get a y quality coming in, which I'll illustrate here. Ionnsachadh. Ionnsachadh. Have a go. Now we need the verb and the pronoun at the beginning, and it's hammy. Hammy, like my first hamster. Hammy. It's not hammy. We don't emphasize pronouns in their simple form like this. So notice what happens when we add this to ionnsachadh and ionnsachadh. Hammy ionnsachadh. Hammy ionnsachadh. So this happens all the time in Gaelic. One vowel sound giving way to one before it to make things flow. Hammy ionnsachadh. And then, of course, we can add the word for Gaelic, or Gaelic, for my Canadian friends. Opening a can of worms there. Gaelic. Notice how the G is much crisper in Gaelic. Like the K at the end of Dalek. Gaelic. We want a nice, long, open A vowel. Ah. Gaelic. So, let's put it all together. Hammy ionnsachadh Gaelic. Hammy ionnsachadh Gaelic. And of course, if somebody asks you, Vel Gaelic acad, do you speak Gaelic? You can just reply, Hammy ionnsachadh. Hammy ionnsachadh. So there you go. If this is helpful, let me know. If there are things that you're struggling with, also let me know in the comments. And I can maybe help clarify with another video. Have a go at that though, and let me know how you get on. Hammy ionnsachadh.